Good morning students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Dabholi, Surat. Standard 9, subject mathematics, chapter number 10, circles. So in this lecture we have to learn about this path traced by the tip of the second hand is called a circle. So here we have to learn about the circle, and then after you will study about the circle, other related terms and some properties of circle. So here there are some properties of circle. First one is wheel, second one is clock, third one is key, fourth one is button, and fifth one is bangle. Then after paisa, rupees and 5 rupees coin. So these all are the example of the coin. So then next, circle and its related terms. First one is a review. So in this review we have to learn about the first, that is the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Suppose we take one point A, and after we are going to draw one circle. So these all points on the circle having the same distance from the center of the circle. So that is a fixed point in the plane is called a circle, and then after the fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. So this is the radius of the circle, and that fixed point is a center of circle. Then after next there are one circle, then interior and exterior part. So the part which are covered with the help of circle, first one is circle, second one is exterior, and third one is interior part. Okay, so next, first one is inside the circle, which is called the interior of the circle. Second one is circle, and third part is outside of the circle, that is called the exterior of the circle. So here the circle and in its interior make up the circle region. If you take 2 points P and Q on a circle, then line PQ is called a chord. Okay, so here PQ line is known as chord. If you are going to do the point Q over here, then the PQ is known as a chord. Then after, diameter is longest chord and all the diameter have the same length. So if they are going to ask the question about the chord, then you have to brief knowledge about that. Diameter is the longest chord and all the diameters have the same length, which is equal to the 2 times radius. Okay, so this is 2 times of radius. And then after, we have to know about the circles. First of all, what is circle and what is semicircle? Semicircle is the P and Q ends of the diameter, then both arcs are equal and each is called semicircle. So here यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जो P and Q है, ठीक है. Here if we cut in the circle in the two parts, then every arc have same length. So there are same length arc are known as a semicircle, and there are two type of arc. First arc is major arc and second arc is minor arc. If the arc having a length more than semicircle, then it is called as a major arc, and if the arc of the circle is less than the semicircle arc, then it's called as minor arc. Okay, and then after, circumference. Then after circumference, the length of the complete circle is called its circumference, means periphery. Okay, circumference means periphery, and here there are figure of the minor arc and major arc. You can observe and then after here the major segment and minor segment region. So first of all, what is major region? Here the major segment of the part is in between the major region. So here OPQ is the minor sector and remaining part of the circle region is the major sector. So each is the here upper part is known as a major segment and the lower part is known as a minor segment. So here one major segment is there and one minor segment is there. In exercise 10.1 we have to fill in the blanks and etc, which we are going to conduct in the Zoom lectures, okay, which we already conducted in Vidyalaya app. Then after angle substituted by the chord at a point, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जो एंगल सब्स्टिट्यूटेड एट द एंड ऑफ द सर्कल बाय द chord, तो ये जो P Q and R है, ठीक है, P Q and R, these three are the coordinates of the triangle PQR and we know that as a here O is the center point of the circle and P, Q, R and S are the point of the circle. Then after next equal chord of a substance and equal angles at the center is known as, you know about that OA is equal to AB, so OA is equal to OC. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो OA इज इक्वल टू क्या है OC. तो आपको यहाँ पे प्रूव करना है कि इक्वल कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल सबटेंडेड इक्वल एंगल एट द सेंटर. तो वो इक्वल एंगल एट द सेंटर है, वो एकदम से बनाती है, तो वो आपको प्रूव करना है. देन आफ्टर नेक्स्ट AOB and POQ are the 3 points which are able to convert ABC and PQR. Okay, so then after if the angles extended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal and then the chord are the equal. So here center are equal and the chord are equal if the angles subtended by the chord of a circle. So here AOB is equal to COD and triangle AOB is equal to triangle COD. Then after perpendicular from the center of the chord AOM, but here M is the medium and then MB is the line segment and AM is also line segment. So then after the perpendicular form the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. Okay, so this kind of example and theorems we have to solve in this chapter. Then after 10.4 the line drawn through the center of the circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. So this is also IMP theorem. And then after next circle through the 3 points. So circle, how can we draw the circle through 3 points? This is a amazing phenomena which we have to learn in the next lectures. So these are the introduction about this chapter which you have to learn. Okay, then next second, there is one and only one circle passing through 3 given non-collinear points. So here there are 3 linear non-collinear points which are not passed through the circle. There is one circle only can pass, no more than one circle is passed through that, and equal chord and their distance from the center. So equal chord and distance from the center, that is a L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. There are equal chord from which are the length from the circle. In this way we can prove many things with the help of circles. These all are the application and properties of the circle which we have to learn in this chapter. Okay, thank you.